Welcome to CDEV 216, Administration 2, which is Personnel and Leadership in Early Childhood Education. My name is Professor Dusenberry, and I will be your instructor for this very fun hybrid 8-week course. Again, this is a hybrid course, which means there is some face-to-face meetings as well as online. But due to the current pandemic, our face-to-face meetings will be via Zoom. We will meet 4 times in person, which again via Zoom. And the dates are October 19th, which is our first evening together, November 2nd, November 16th, and then December 7th. All of these follow on a Monday evening, and we will begin sharply at 6 p.m. There are many resources provided for you in order for your success within this course. And the first one is our syllabus and our course outline. And you can see this is our home page for the course within Canvas. You can click on this button to the left, which is Syllabus, and it shows you, gives you a wealth of information on this page. It gives you this course description of what we'll be learning throughout this semester. It shows you our textbook, which is the Planning and Administering Early Childhood Programs, which is a picture located on here. It is also the 11th edition. Now, this is the same textbook you should have used with CDEV 215. 215 is the first part of the administration course that you have to complete before you take the second part. So you should already have this textbook, and we'll be using it again within this course. Now, there is one more textbook that you will need, and that is Program Administration Scale. It is the 2nd edition. Make sure you get the 2nd edition because there are some changes that might affect what we're learning. So make sure you get the 2nd edition. Here is information. I have the ISBN number, 2nd edition, I have the copyright and so forth, and the name of the textbook. And then it will tell you some learning objectives and so forth. So, and then all the way at the bottom, you can click on this little tab and it will give you our syllabus. And we'll be going over this syllabus in detail. Just wanted to show you kind of what it looks like. We'll be going over this syllabus in detail on our first meeting on October 19th. So going back to our home page. So it's really important for you all to go through the syllabus and read through it carefully prior to our first meeting on the October 19th at 6 o'clock on our Zoom meeting. It has been created for you to obtain a deep understanding of expectations of this course. All of our assignments have due dates that must be met. There are no late submissions accepted in this course. Each week you will complete the assigned module, and the modules contain all expectations for the week. It will have your readings, the PowerPoints, as well as all assignments listed with the due dates. The discussion board is our form of communication for the online portion of this course. You will be requested, or required, I should say, to create original thread from my questions posed no later than Wednesday of each week, and you will have to submit a response to 2 of your peers by that Friday of each week. Again, we're going to go over this a little bit more on our first night together. Each module will open on a Saturday morning, and I suggest you start working at that time. I also include an email with every Saturday morning after I open the module. I'll let you know the module is open, and then I'll also give you the week's expectations. If you have any questions, you can always email me. If you plan accordingly during the week, you will be able to complete all the assignments. I want to make sure that you dedicate some time every day for this course, as it is a fast-paced course. 8 weeks flies by, and we have a lot of things to learn and complete along the way. You will need to have a valid email, and you need to make sure to check that email daily, because I do send out announcements, and it's very important that you are on board with receiving them in a timely manner. Now you are ready to get started. So you can go to Canvas, you can complete the course information requirements and read Module 1 and follow all the directions. If you experience any difficulties logging on to Canvas, please contact our 24/7 Canvas support hotline at 844-612-7428. And if you have issues within Canvas, if you notice on our homepage at the bottom, it has all this information, which is the Canvas 24/7 support information. So I am looking forward to seeing you all and meeting with you on Monday, October 19th at 6 o'clock. I will be sending out a link via email prior to you. So you will have the link, and all you have to do is click on that link and put in the password, and you will be able to join. I suggest you start 5 minutes earlier to give yourself some time to make sure you have good internet connection and that you'll be able to log on to our Zoom meeting. Have a great week, and I'm looking forward to seeing you soon. Take care.